Hello, once again welcome to TOS classes for physics, and today I am going to calculate one numerical of NCRT that is based on principle of superposition for electric field. Basically this numerical has been taken from NCRT. Going to remind you what the question is. Two point charges QA 3 microcoulomb and QV minus 3 microcoulomb are placed at a distance 20 centimeter between them. The distance between these two point charges is 20 centimeter. They are placed in vacuum. What is the electric field at the midpoint O of the line AB joining the two charges? First of all, you have to calculate the net electric field at a point O, which is between the center of these two point charges. Second part of the question states that if a negative charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb is placed at this point, what is the force experienced by this charge? That question has been taken from NCERT. Okay. So now, how we can solve this question? Let's see. Here answer. I consider 2 point A and B. Here the point charge QA and here the point charge QB is placed, and this is the line AB, straight line. The distance that has been given to you, that is 20 centimeter. This distance has been given in numerical, and O is the midpoint of it, that is the midpoint. So definitely the distance will be, this will be the 10 centimeter, and OB, that will be the 10 centimeter. The reason is that one, okay, point O is at the center of line AB. Okay, clear? So it has been given, and what we have given, QA, that is equal to 3 microcoulomb, that is microcoulomb, and we know that 1 microcoulomb consists of 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So here we have to write down 3, convert it, 3 into 10 to the power 6 coulomb, COULOMB coulomb. In the same manner, QB, that is minus 3 microcoulomb, convert it, minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. I have to calculate the net electric field at point O, that is in center of line AB. First of all, I consider another point charge is not present. That is the principle of superposition. It states that electric field produced at a point due to several point charges is equal to the vector sum of the electric field produced by each charge, by considering that another charge is not present. So we are going to once again apply the principle of superposition here. So I have to write E1, or you can write EA. EA means electric field produced at point O by charge QA. And that should be equal to, from formula you can write down 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QA, and the distance you can write AO square. Now I am going to place the value, that is 9 into 10 to the power 9, and the QA 3 into 10 to the power minus 6, and AO, that is equal to 10 centimeter. But you have to convert 10 centimeter into meter, 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. Okay, so what I have done, I just put the values of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 9 into 10 to the power 9, QA 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, AO you can see 10 centimeter. We convert 10 centimeter into meter. Actually you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. That's why I have multiplied here. Okay, now I am going to solve it. We get EA is equal to 9 3 are 27, and here it comes out to be 10 to the power minus 3, plus 3, 9 plus minus 6. You get here 10 square 100, 10 to the power minus 2 square, 10 to the power minus 4. Now I can write 27 into 10 to the power 3, and here I get 10 to the power 2 minus, here you will get 27 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 2, that will become positive. Net one comes out to be 27 into 10 to the power 5. In next step you can write 2.7 into 10 to the power 6, and the unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb. So what I have calculated? I calculated the magnitude of electric field at point O, which has been produced by charge QA. What should be the direction? As this charge is positively charged, the direction of EA will be here. That will be EA. That is the direction of EA. Similarly, what I observe, that QB, that is minus 3 into 10, that is minus 3 microcoulomb, minus 3 microcoulomb, minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and okay, and the distance OB, that should be 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter get converted in 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. If I have to write down EB, that will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QB upon OB whole square. Place the value 9 into 10 to the power 9. But here we have to write down only the positive sign, because we are going to write the magnitude only. So here you have to write down 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by the quantity actually is the same one, 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. When I solve it once again, I will get the answer 2.7 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. But what is the difference here? The difference is of direction. The direction, it is a negatively charged, it is QB is negatively charged. That's why the direction of EB will be here. So from principle of superposition, I can write down the net intensity of electric field at point O. That should be equal to vector EA plus vector EB. So that should be equal to, in terms of magnitude of intensity of electric field, that will be E1 plus E2, or sorry, here I have considered EA and EB. EA plus EB. EA, that is 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 plus 2.7 into 10 to the power 6. When we add up them, we will get 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. And the direction will be, that will be along OB. That will be the net direction, real-time direction of the electric field. So according to the, on applying the principle of superposition, we can easily calculate such a kind of problem. So what is the resultant electric field at point O? The resultant electric field at point O comes out to be 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb, and its direction is along OB. You can see from diagram, E and EB are acting along the same direction. That's why vectorically they get added. The magnitude is this one and direction is along AB. I hope that you have understand it well. In next part of this question, I have to solve the next part of the question states that if a negative charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb is placed at this point, what is the force experienced by this charge? I am going this question to you, how you can solve it. I am going to write down just the formula here. The formula you can have to write down the electric force. Electric force F is equal to, that is equal to QE. Charge is negative. When charge is negative, direction of force is opposite to the direction of electric field. So what will be the force? Magnitude of force will be 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 into multiplied by the net electric field 5.4 into 10 to the power 6. Solve it and you will get the answer, and the direction of the electric force will be opposite to the direction of electric field, as the charge we have placed in electric field is negatively charged. Thank you very much. I hope that you have understand this problem well. If you have any problem, then send your comment in comment box so that in my next video I can sort out your problem. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.